Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to soft reset this smart band, basically restart. And restart could be useful if something is not working on your smart band properly. Maybe it's a bit sluggish, maybe it's unresponsive. You could try to restart it, and hopefully that will solve your problems. So let's get started. So to soft reset our smart band, we need to open the menu first, or settings basically. To do it, wake up the screen by tapping on it, swipe up on the screen, then scroll down, tap on the settings icon, and here tap on the system. In system menu, find the option called Reboot, and tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the smart band will start rebooting. And after a few seconds, it should basically reboot itself. So let's wait. And here we have it, we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this smart band. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.